hand limit and right hand limit both are equal, then one may say the limit is exists. Correct? So this topic we can extend in the continuity also. We need the left hand limit and right hand limit for the checking of the continuity. So for that you have to consider one function. Like suppose we are given fx equal to two values. One, if x is less than equal to 0, and 2, there are only two values of fx if x is greater than 0. So fx equal to 1 if x is less than equal to 0, and fx equal to 2 if x is greater than 0. So if you want to draw the graph of this, you can see on x-axis, like you can see when x equal to 0, then y is also 1. If you are taking x is 0, then y is 1. So this is 1, this is 2, here also 1, 2. Right. So when x equal to 0, y is 1. Now we can put any point which is less than 1. Suppose you take x as a minus 1. Then value of y will be 1. X is minus 2, 1. X is minus 3. So we can say here we have point, and if we join this, so this is the value of x less than equal to 0, y equal to 1. Now similarly when we take x greater than 0, so there is no fixed value, which is the just after 0. 0 से बड़ा कौन सा है? Exact we cannot find. So you may take any value, suppose x equal to 1 or x equal to 0.1 or x equal to 0.2 or x equal to 1 or x equal to 2 or 10 or whatever can be value. The value of corresponding y is 2. Y is 2. Whenever we are taking x greater than 0, then y is 2. So we can say like this. Here I make this empty circle. Why? Because there is no value of x equal to 0. यहाँ अगर आप x की वैल्यू 0 नहीं होगी. Because when x equal to 0, y is 1. X just after 0, then y is 2. Clear? Here x is greater than 0. So here we can say this is the left hand limit. Why left hand limit? Because we are taking left hand limit equal to limit f x tends to 0 minus less than 0 fx. जब 0 से छोटी लोगे then value of y is 1. And when we are taking right hand limit means when greater than 0, then value of function is 2. Means we have two values of limit, that is 1 and 2. Clear? Left hand limit is 1, right hand limit is 2. So we can say limit does not exist here because both limits are different. Clear? So what is the regarding the continuity or continuous function? So this function is not continuous. Continuous means when we draw the graph in one stroke, there is no need of lifting the pen or chalk when we are drawing the graph. यहाँ तक ग्राफ ड्रॉ करके तो यहाँ तक कंटिन्यू आएगा. Then we have to lift the chalk and put here again. Then we draw. So this graph is not continuous. Continuous means लगातार. यहाँ ग्राफ लगातार हम लोग ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं. यहाँ ब्रेक निकालनी है. So we can say this is a not a continuous. Correct? So the regarding if graph is not like continuous, then we can say this function is not a continuous. So one condition what? If left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit, then function is not a continuous. Or in other order you can say to be continued, the pose should be equal. If the graph is continuous or function is continuous, then the left hand limit equal to right hand. Means limit should exist. In other words, we can say the limit should exist. Then we get this. Is it clear? Now we take one more example like this. Fx equal to, if you are taking supplementary example for this, 1 if x not equal to 0 and 2 if x equal to 0. So this is similar to this one, but there is a little difference. So if you are drawing the graph of this, अगर आप इसका ग्राफ ड्रॉ करोगे क्या करोगे? This is x 0 1 2 1 2. Now say when x equal to 0, value of y is 2. When x equal to 0, y is 2. This point. But when x not equal to 0, x not equal to 0 means when we are taking negative and positive value, like x equal to -1, -2, -3, the value is 1. And when we are taking x equal to 1, y1, x2, y1, x3, y1. So here value of y is a constant. So again you can say we are not able to draw the graph in one stroke. यहाँ पर भी क्या है? यहाँ बीच में खाली है. We have to lift here pen. So if you are drawing the graph, then move here. Then again start with this. So this is also not continuous function. Clear? So in 11th class you see here x not equal to 0 means then you find the left hand limit. Limit x tends to 0. Fx, that is 1. And here also you find the right hand limit. The limit x tends to 0 plus of fx, that is also 1. So here left hand equal to right hand. In this case you have left hand limit equal to right hand limit and limit exists. So you can write the limit x tends to 0 fx equal to 1. So limit is exists, still we are saying this function is not continuous. Why? Because value of the function, this is very important. Value of the function at the given point is 2, which is not equal to limit value. So there is a secondary condition for function to be continuous. What if the value of the function should be also equal to the limit? Now we can say, इसका तो हम लिख लेते हैं कंडीशन क्या होगी फंक्शन की? fx is continuous if either we can say left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to value of the function at that, or you may modify limit of the function, limit x tends to fx is equal to f. So we call a function is a continuous. This is clear? So to check either the given function is a continuous or not, we have to check either you can use this method to find the left hand limit and right hand limit both should be equal. And value of the function at that case, जैसे हमने एक सेकेंड वन लिया है, ध्यान देखिए हमने लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट 1 आ रही है, राइट हैंड लिमिट 1 आ रही है. सो लिमिट इज एट दिस, बट वैल्यू ऑफ द फंक्शन दैट इज 2 and value of left hand and right hand 1. So 2 not equal to 1. That's why we are saying this function is not continuous. And graphically, ये तो आपको theoretically check करना है. Graphically you can check. Here we are not draw the graph in one stroke. एक stroke में हम graph draw नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. That's why this function is not continuous. If function is not continuous, that function is not a discontinuous function. इसको हम क्या कहेंगे? Discontinuous function at x equal to 0. So this function is a discontinuous function at the x equal to 0. So these are the some concepts we have to remember. One more thing is the point of discontinuity. What is the meaning of the point of discontinuity? But this is the point at which the given function is discontinuous. The point at which the given function is discontinuous. That is known as point of discontinuity. So here x equal to 0, or you can say 0 is the point of discontinuity. Is it clear? Here in the
Yes, sir.
first also the 0 is the point of discontinuity. So if you predict this, then you can say that for proving a function continuous, we have to find that point. At that point, left hand limit, right hand limit, and value of the function. So this is the definition. What say in mathematically you say definition. Suppose f is a real valued function. We have already given in vertically. Now in systematic or vertically you can write a definition of the continuous function. Suppose f is a real function on a subset of a real number, and let C be the point in the domain of f. Means we are given a function f, which is a real function. Its domain and codomain both are real, and at a point C, we want to find at point C. Then what say? Then f is a continuous. F is continuous L-U-O-U-S, continuous at C. If what this you can write as limit x टेंशन का एक ही जगह से C ले लिया, that depend on points. Limit of the function at that point should be always equal to the value of the function at that point. तो कंटिन्यूअस फंक्शन प्रूव करने के लिए आपको सिंपली क्या करना है? उस पॉइंट पे फंक्शन की लिमिट निकालनी है और फंक्शन की वैल्यू निकालनी है. If the value of the function and limit of the function both are equal, the function is continuous. ये क्लियर पॉइंट है बेटा? ज्यादा कंफ्यूज नहीं होना. आपको क्या निकालना? लिमिट. Now how to find the limit we have already seen in 11th class. After getting the limit, you have to find the value of the function at that point. अब वैल्यू फंक्शन की कैसे निकालेंगे ये भी हमने 9-10 में पढ़ा. पॉलिनोमियल की वैल्यू निकालते किसी पॉइंट पे, and if both are equal, then you can say function is a continuous. And if both are not equal, then we can say function is not continuous, or you may call as a discontinuous. Function is a discontinuous, and that point is known as point of discontinuity. This is a clear? Number 4, check the continuity of the function f. बुक है आपके पास बेटा?
Yes, sir.
Example, check the continuity of the function f given by fx equal to, अब हमारे पास फंक्शन दे रखा है fx equal to 2x plus 3 at x equal to, तो ये फंक्शन आपको जनरल दे रखा है लाइक ए पॉलिनोमियल, किसी पार्टिकुलर पॉइंट पे फंक्शन को डिफाइन नहीं किया है, वी आर गिवन ए जनरल फंक्शन. So you can see as in our previous classes, the value of this function is defined for all real. Define का मतलब क्या है? X पे आप कुछ भी वैल्यू रखोगे इसकी वैल्यू आएगी. X equal to 1 रखा, 2 रखा, 3 रखा, -1, -2, 0. So this function is defined for all real value. तो ये हमेशा आपको पहले चेक करना है. First of all, you have to check either the given function is defined or not at the given point. So you can write solution fx equal to 2x plus 3 is defined at x equal to 1. Why defined? Because if you are putting here x equal to 1, we get a finite value. That is f1 equal to 2 into 1 plus 3 equal to 5. So this is the value of the function at the given point. यानी x equal to 1 पर इसकी वैल्यू क्या आ गई? 5. Now in 11th class we only know how to find the value of a polynomial function at the given point. 11th में हमने पढ़ा था how to find the limit of a polynomial. So you can find the limit. Also, limit कौन से पॉइंट पे? x tends to 1 of fx. तो लिमिट x tends to 1, फंक्शन क्या है हमारा 2x plus 3. तो और पॉलिनोमियल डायरेक्टली वैल्यू पुट, लिमिट का मतलब यहाँ पर डायरेक्ट इसकी वैल्यू पुट करनी. So that is 2 into 1 plus 3, that is 5. So what we get? Value of the function at that point is equal to the value of the limit. Both are equal. So what we get? Limit x tends to 1 of fx equal to the value of the function equal to 5. So we can say f is continuous. f(x) equal to, इस तरह से आपको चेक करना. दिस इज क्लियर? The given function is a continuous at x equal to. Examine whether the function f given by, तो ये भी पॉलिनोमियल फंक्शन ही है, सेम प्रोसेस है. fx equal to x square. fx equal to x square is continuous at x equal to t. Is continuous at x equal to t. So here also you can write this function is defined. In solution you write at x equal to 0. That is value of the function at the given point is 0. Now also we can find the limit. Limit x tends to 0 of fx. That is limit x tends to 0 of x square. So direct put here 0. So again we get limit x tends to 0 of fx equal to value of the function. So we can say f is continuous at x equal to. So this is the method how to check either the given function at the given point is a continuous or not. समझ में आ गया? किसी भी फंक्शन को हम किसी पॉइंट पे कंटिन्यूस कैसे चेक करेंगे, उसकी लिमिट वैल्यू निकालेंगे और वैल्यू ऑफ द फंक्शन. ये बोथ आर and then only we can say function is a continuous. Discuss the continuity of the function f given by fx equal to mod x. Now this function is not uniquely defined. Mod function is given and x equal to 0. Clear? तो इसमें क्या थोड़ा सा फंक्शन को आपको डिफाइन करना पड़ेगा fx equal to there are two values minus x if x is less than 0 and x if x greater than equal to, because this is a modulus function, fx equal to mod x have two values minus x if x is less than 0 and plus x if x equal to 0. Clear? So that's why there are defined as x equal to 0, left hand limit 0 to this and right hand limit this. So here you have to find the left hand limit. Limit x tends to 0 minus that is minus x. So you may convert into x tends to 0. So minus 0 minus x. So if you put the 0, then it is 0. Immediately you put the right hand limit. Limit x tends to 0 plus fx. That is x. So if you convert into x, to 0 plus x. So if you put 0, then so here limit is exists, correct? So what we get here, left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to 0. That is limit of this function that we have already done in 11th class. So इसकी limit आ गई. Also this function is defined at x equal to 0. अगर x की वैल्यू 0 रखोगे तो फंक्शन क्या होगा? 0. Also fx equal to mod x is defined at x equal to 0. That is f0 equal to mod of 0. That is, so again we get limit x tends to 0 of fx equal to value of the function at that point. So we can say f is continuous. The process हुई है, function is uniquely not defined, that's why we have defined it two ways. Clear? Next is show that the function f given by fx equal to x square x cube plus 3 if x not equal to 0. When left hand limit, then function is this. Right hand limit, then this. It will limit will exist. And 1 if x equal to 0. Say is not continuous at x equal to 0. You have to prove this function is not continuous at x equal to 0. Correct? So here you can write the solution. The given function well defined because its value exists at x equal to 0. That is, if you put f0, then 0, then value is 1. Also we find limit x tends to 0 of fx equal to limit x tends to 0 x cube plus 3. Now put value. So the limit value is 3, which is not equal to value of the function. So what we get? limit x tends to 0 of fx is not equal to value of the function at that point. So what we can say, fx is not continuous function. So this function is not continuous. That's true. Or you may call this function is a discontinuous. Clear? Or you can say this x equal to 0 is the point of discontinuity. Correct?